So today I have decided to create a creative space, and I'm going to show you all the space that I'm going to create is right here. This is kind of like my foyer as you come up my stairway. So this is the space here. And I also think that I'm going to do something here. So this is kind of like the space before you go into the entry of my bedroom, the master bedroom. Okay, so let's get started. Can't wait for you guys to see what I'm going to do. Dun, 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 dun. Are you guys ready to see my creative space? All right, I am ready to reveal. Ta-da! Oh, this is so cute. I can't wait to use it. So I decided to create this space as like my little workspace area. And I have my little game here, my little organizer, of course the desktop with the keyboard and my creative custom mouse pad with my little family, and then just some cute little things here. I love pineapples. Those are my favorite. And then I brought this cute little calendar here from Home Goods. And then also I said that I was going to, here is it from this angle right here. Oh, yes. I also said that I was going to create, add a little decor here. So this is the pretty canvas, goes way up. And I'm not done yet. I'm going to put a console here. Yep. And so this is the look, guys. Drop your comments below and let me know what you think. If you like it, what should I add? What should I take away? Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. So I wanted to give you a look at this with the filter on it and what that looks like. Sexy. Yes. So this is the space that I created.